In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art in 6 minutes. Let's press Shift-A to create a spiral. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Please use any settings. We need a 2D spiral that expands out. The idea is to select the last curve point, and manually extruding the curve by matching the spiral shape. E to extrude. Select any curve points and type G to move. We could convert the curve to mesh, subdivide it, manually extrude them on the Z-axis, solidify them, and more. Or we could just extrude and bevel the spiral curve like this. We can always bevel the curve with more depth values to thicken the curve. Let's find the best angle to render the scene. Type R and Z to rotate on the Z-axis. G and X to move on the X-axis, and G and Y to move on the Y-axis. We could convert the curve to mesh, or just subdivide it. Let's press Ctrl+3 to subdivide. We can use a plane as a ground mesh. I'll show you the material nodes. Here are the full nodes. For the spiral mesh, I have used the usual gradient nodes with metallic values. The ground nodes are similar, but it's not metallic. I'll hide this mesh, and go back to the final render example with thinner lines and better angles. For the environment light, I have used an add-on called Easy HDRI. I'll share a tutorial link in the description below. Please use any HDRI images with the sky strength set to any numbers higher than 1. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.